I'm Liz with Dharma Trading, and I'm going to show you how to do a pleat fold tie-dye. Start with your damp t-shirt that has been pre-soaked in a soda ash solution. Lay the t-shirt flat. Use a ruler to fold the shirt in half lengthwise. Starting from the bottom, pinch about 1 inch of fabric at a time and create uniform pleats. Try to make sure each pleat is the same height for the best results. Once you have created your pleats, slide a rubber band onto both ends to hold the pleats in place. Then add your rubber bands to the rest of the t-shirt around 3 inches apart to secure. The tighter you make the rubber bands, the more chance of white you'll have in your design. The sleeve has less fabric, so try to maintain uniform pleats as best you can. Then secure them without tightening too much. The 3 colors are turquoise, lemon yellow, and fuchsia. Place your t-shirt on a raised tray to allow the excess dye to drip down. Begin with the turquoise and apply a generous 2-inch strip across the pleats. Next, add yellow, overlapping the turquoise to create green. Followed by fuchsia, overlapping the yellow to create orange. Using lighter colors more prominently can help with the blending effect. Then add turquoise over the fuchsia to create purple. Continue this pattern until you reach the end of the t-shirt, making sure to overlap the colors. Gently flip the t-shirt over. You might notice that I applied the dye a bit too liberally, causing the colors to bleed through. This effect is fine, but you'll need to find a balance for your preference between using too much dye and not enough. On this side, begin with the yellow to create a staggered effect. Then add fuchsia, followed by turquoise, and repeat this pattern until you've reached the end. Once the dye is applied, cover the shirt in plastic to keep it moist. Allow it to batch for 24 hours for the best results. After 24 hours, rinse under cold running water to stop the dye reaction. Next, rinse in warm water while you untie the folds. Keep rinsing until the water runs fairly clear. Then wash your t-shirt in the washing machine with hot water and dyer's detergent. I'm Liz with Dharma Trading, and this has been your pleat fold tie-dye tutorial.